shit up.
I like it. Jesus.
That's some folks going roll racing later. That's what I'm gonna do.
Really? Are you on the? You're on the stock coast, aren't you? I am unoriginal as fuck.
Not really.
No one's got the same Mustang, Corvette, Mustang, 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 Mustang. Jesus. That ain't even all of it. Mustang.
Hey, there's a Mopar, guys.
Slow car guys.
Infinity guys at the end.
Should've brought my wife.
I got off.
Hey Dylan. How many people have you beat out here?
Everybody.
Everybody? Every single car out here.
Nah, maybe 1 or 2. 3.
1 or 2?
4.
Well, that's.
I don't know.
Well, you just went from none, or you just went from all of them to like 3.
He got some. He getting the
Nah,
context
folks got
content,
beat.
bro.
They ain't even out here.
No, bro, point them out. Point them out.
You see this red one right here?
So, okay, this red one.
Red one right here.
So, all right, the red one.
What'd it do?
And then which one?
One tail too, but I crossed the
That's
line.
about it.
That's-
That's about it. I ain't raced somebody
You
else.
said full of shit.
Dad, you raised that.
Yeah.
Dre said. Did you beat sad?
Nah, he
No.
No, he said no.
I'm gonna beat him tonight though.
It's like, ooh,
You already
okay.
know why.
It's a,
You know
yeah,
why.
I know why. I know exactly why. Man got the man.
You gonna beat him
bun.
tonight?
I don't beat him tonight. I did a little something, something.
Oh, you got the tires. The tires.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it's a Viper.
Bro, that's like my dream car. But like a
Oh
dream
my
one.
God, that bitch sounds good as hell. I want to SS so bad, man.
We almost got Amanda one, but
I want to SS so bad. It's just I just
up and down headlights.
Weirdo.
Bro, do you watch Donut Media?
Why are you scraping that monster truck ass too though? That shit hot. One LE?
That's actually really cool. You see the. Oh, let me get a flashlight.
That's dope.
That's actually really cool.
That is dope. I had never seen that.
And it goes up into the window. That's actually really cool, dude.
It looked like it was just a wrinkle in it. Like some, like the wrap didn't go on well. It even goes down.
It was fun.
I've been looking at a.
That's what it's about, man.
Oh,
Like I told you, man, I
oh, got a big old spinny boy.
happened to me here. You know what it reminded me of? Instead of like, pretty far away from traffic. And in my opinion, I was at both hotels.
Oh shit! Hey.
I was just gonna say I was waiting for you.
Hello.
I was waiting for you to turn around. I was like, I think it'd be a little excited to see that. Maybe not excited, but
We got the unicorn's little brother.
that's what I decided with a dog pack on it, man.
Yeah, I did too.
This just look nasty.
Do you know why cars do better in the cold?
Because cooler air, cools the
That's partly right.
I don't know any other reason. That'd be my guess.
You know what the difference between hot air and cold air is?
Do you want?
You gonna learn something today.
Do you want the act like what my answer would be?
Yes.
What's hot? What's cold?
What's hot? What's cold? Okay. You're not wrong. Okay. But no, cold air is
They're not following us.
cold air is more dense than hot air. So the more dense air is, so for the same volume of air, it's really like more air. It's like it's more air like compressed in it. Okay.
Are you saying so? This isn't what you're saying. 'Cause you haven't got to that point yet. But like, for instance, say you said which air is more condensed? I mean, more dense.
Cold air is more dense.
So cold air has more air.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit.
It was like a cardboard, piece of cardboard. It was like
Gotcha.
piece of cardboard.
That was weird.
That fell. Oh, there you go.
Oh, okay. It was a pallet.
You know, the piece of cardboard.
Is that okay? Is that you good?
Yeah, look.
Bro, we thought you hit a fucking pallet.
Yeah, it was right here. Look.
Everyone in his car ran over. I was like, what the fuck? What was it? It's like a...
Oh shit.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
It's like
Okay.
It looked like when it got to us, it looked like a pallet. We were like, what the fuck?
Yeah, it broke into like fucking 50 pieces.
This way.
What if that car was
Nashville, all the way to Nashville, all the metal pieces for y'all. We're on the way to Nashville. You know, it's 2 lanes all the way. And there's like metal chunks flying off the truck.
Oh my Jesus. God damn.
You everybody here?
I think so.
He had to jump off the girl.
Is that coming?
Yeah, he's like near Gateway. So.
So I'm screaming. I'm like, he's like, I got this. I was like, you might got your side, but I'm about to die. He's like, no. And he fucking click, went through 57 gears like they have. 10 speeds go through. And then shot over. I said, Dad, I really think I shit myself. I was like, I thought it was over. He's like, nah, bro, I told you I got it.
Oh my god. I hope he doesn't think I'm being a dick right now. I'm just trying to keep up with everybody, kinda.
Who? Morris?
Yeah.
Nah, he's just gonna try to keep up with like.
But I'm not going super fast.
I mean, you're only going 90.
70!
Well, I mean, for being technical, you need to be going 55.
I mean, well, no, 70 is 55 on here.
What?
So 70 is 55 on this road.
What do you mean? That's the speed limit.
Because nobody
To
goes
the people.
55.
To the people. Fuck what the sign says. The people say it's 70.
Exactly. I'm a libertarian, goddamn.
For the people. Maybe I'm an idiot. Maybe. They're probably trying to race.
What room?
There's a little bit of room up there, from what I can see.
Man, what's this first one want to do? Stop it.
3! I'm not the person you want the bathroom.
Oh my god. You're gonna get me shot.
I'm gonna shoot back. Like, in the moment I see a gun, the ass is grass. Just hit the gas. I'm gonna hang out the window and blast metal. As you're going 180, hopefully.
Yeah.
Because we gotta get away from them.
True.
Hey, don't y'all race anyway?
Yeah. Where the fuck is he going? He's about to whip my ass. That shouldn't have happened. I swear to God, that should not have just happened.
Got it on video.
Bro, what the hell?
Got it on video. That's what matters.
What? Oh, I got a backfire under the bridge too. Hey, am I going the right way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Excitement!
Oh my
We're
God.
excited! Why should none of that happen? Don't y'all pretty much at the same time? Except he's boarded?
No, he just did something else that I'm not gonna say because, you know, privacy. But
He put tires on his car.
you know, honestly, he was probably spinning his dick off. That's the only reason that should have just happened.
I wanted to.
Oh, this is the set of tracks that I bent my freaking wheel on.
In.
This.
What?
My front left wheel's bent.
No way.
Yep. I had these wheels and tires for 3 hours.
Oh!
Like I put them on and I just kind of hung out at the house for a second, and then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go out to the spot and see what happens. And sure enough, I was used to the 18s with that super thick sidewall.
dumb.
That's not smart.
That Versa almost hit him.
Yeah.
Where are they going? Okay. They look like they're
I think you need to tell them the second set of tracks. Unless, well, if you're sharing your location, I think you should be good then, right?
It is a second set.
Yeah.
I thought it was after. Ain't that a bitch?
I couldn't remember either, so. I've been coming out here for like
87 years.
Like 8 years. I still can't remember shit.
You've had to have been coming out here longer than 8 years.
Since I was 18.
Because I've been coming out here longer than 8 years.
Since I was 18, I'm 27. Actually, yeah, about 8 years. I didn't get into cars until I bought. Never into them. I never gave a shit about them. I didn't know. I couldn't tell you what an axle was. You know, like literally, I knew not a thing. And then I bought my 2-valve, and now here I am. I have people reaching out to me like, hey,
I need answers to everything.
Like, yeah, exactly. Like, tell me how to do this with my car, or you know, what do I need to do? What setup do I need? You know, shit like that. So that's the point that I've come to in a relatively short amount of time, and I'm really proud of that.
We get here and everybody's leaving. Like, really nice potential races. That was a G8.
Don't smack into me. Thank you.
He was not moving.
You had to be spinning your ass off.
Bro, I just want to know what the fuck happened.
That's what I want to know. I don't understand. Bro, he was in the car with me, and I was like, that should not be happening.
What gear did you go from?
Second.
Oh, I was in third.
That's probably.
That had to do it.
That's what I was telling him.
That had to do it.
His ass shit quick when you jumped out.
But that's what I'm saying. Like, because I mean, well, the way as your car revved up so high, I was like, he has to be in second.
No,
It's like I thought you were in second, so I'm like, I was looking at my RPMs.
Fuck,
Bro, I didn't. Bro, I was screaming.
Right back to the shop.
This motherfucker hasn't said anything to me since we.
That's close to what we just did. That was like 45.
Yeah, it was like 45.
I mean, that was really
I told
close.
him, I was like, bro, he's playing second.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my
He been
god.
contemplating life and shit. I'm gonna sell this bitch.
Like, I gotta.
His face, like he's genuinely fucked up about
Dude,
this.
I didn't think that was gonna happen.
I'm fucked up about it for you. But hey, no.
Ready?
Very good.
He's all over the road.
And he passed him. He passed him. He threw some blinker on.
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Oh my god!
Wow!
Yeah, he really fucked. He should never hit the brakes.
I look, Chevy boys are the new Mustangs now, okay? That's I haven't seen a Mustang lose it out here tonight.
It's a good point.
Yeah.
At least tonight, they're the new Mustang.
I'm tired of the fucking jokes. It's on Chevy now.
That was close.
It's like somebody made a meme out of it. Now every fucking Mustang.
Exactly. Like, it's old now, you know? It's like, it's not even funny. Be original.
Come on! You and Tyler both right. Y'all both got more than 3